Using Amazon Prime Video gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. Find the unique code on your Amazon Prime Video gift card. This code is usually found on the back of the card and may require scratching off a protective layer. Step 2. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Sign in using your existing Amazon account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card redemption page. Once logged in, go to the Account and List section. From there, select your account and then find the gift cards option to access the gift card redemption page. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. On the gift card redemption page, enter the code you found on your gift card in the designated field. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and redeem. After entering the code, click on the Apply to Your Balance button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the amount has been successfully added to your Amazon account balance. Now you can use your balance to rent or purchase movies and shows on Amazon Prime Video. Enjoy your viewing experience.